This is GlintPM. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thank you. Hi, welcome back to the tutorial series. Um, in this series, we're going to look at adding activities code. Previously, we did assigning resources to our project schedule that we'll be working on. And if you have not watched the video, please try and watch that video. In this one, we're going to add uh, activities code. But before then, like a good practice that I like to do, I like to add new place so that I can track my changes. Um, so I'm going to call this one adding activity code. Okay. So as usual, I'll just copy of the project we're working on. So usually these are the good practices. You had your activities, your resources. If you have risk, you had them. If you have expenses, costs, everything, you add them to your schedule before you baseline. So open up the project now, schedule. Recall that we had the resources previously. Um, that was the previous tutorial. So as you can see, okay, 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 these are milestones. So milestone does not have resources. Just wanted to show you the resources. So these are the resources in this schedule. You can see them in detail view. But for code, we have no code. We can not assign any code. So I wanted to show you how to do that today. And just relax and continue to watch the video with me. Like I said, please, if you have any question, ask in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Every time I release video, you can see my video and you can watch. And if you have questions, I will respond to your questions. Please ask questions, subscribe, like, and share with other professionals, engineers, project management professionals, construction professionals, and every other person that will need the use of our P6. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to look at is draft the code I want us to use. So you can see them here, and I also draft how we're going to assign them. So what we just need to do is to create the activities code first. If I want to create the activities code, go to enterprise, we look for activities code. As you can see, just like resources, we have three types of activities code. In resources, we have global resource and project. But for this code, we have global PS and project. So for this, I want to also create a project activities code specific to this project. So we click on modify. So this code, I want to call it face. So we're going to denote the faces of the uh, projects. Therefore, after I modify at this level, you will come here, you can see the face here. If there's any other one, sure, but this is just the only code we have. So now I can start adding all the code under this face. Permit me to minimize so that you can see the code I want us to be adding from here. Okay. So I think it's good like this. Good like this. So I can see, so I'm picking them, adding them. I think it's fine. So now we are going to be adding the code again, activities code. I've already created the face code. Now I just want to be adding the code one by one. First, we have design. The code value is DSG. So the name is design engineering. Design. We had another one is procurement phase. We call this Yahoo Signal. This is procurement phase. Then we have the next one is foundation. So call it found. This is foundation construction phase. Foundation construction phase. We have the next one is structural. This is structural phase. Uh, yes. Then we got another one rough. So this is rough. So the roughing phase. Rough. We have another one. This is close. This is close. Closing. We have another one finish. So this one is FINISH. Finish and close our face. Finish. Okay, so that's how our activities code. But other than the next thing for us to do is to now add the activities code to each of our activities. Um, also, I also put it on this Excel and for us to use it. Let's see if I can minimize it so that everything will be on this same page. Okay. But before then, let me add a column for the face so that it will just sit there for me. So you can see we have project face, so this is the face that we created, push it in. So the column is added here. So right now I can start adding the code. So this face is the activities code I wanted to add, the face code. And for each one of them, you can see them here. So we start from the beginning. And the first thing here, building design, start building design is structural according to the code. That's it. So we're going to change this one to structural. Right now it's not showing. So we need to change the filter to show all value. You can see everything now is showing. And we want to choose structural. We choose structural for the start. Okay, for preview. Um, so let me check. Okay, this thing should be uh, sorted. So for design, we have design. So we choose them one after the other like that. For review, over design, we have design. Okay, so the next one we have design too. The next one we have design. Then we'll go to foundation, under foundation, everything under foundation is foundation. Foundation. So from this, everything is foundation, foundation, just have that. foundation. Okay, so let me also show you how you can do this from the detail view. Okay, so we don't do everything from this column side. So right now you can see this is the code. For the next one, there is no code there. So the one that has code, you can see when you click on here, you see the code that is hidden under here. You can have more than one code, as many codes as you want. Okay, for this case, you choose the other one and the next activities and how the code is. They are all foundation activities code. So as you can see, we have all the code in the project showing up here, right here. So this one is showing up value. I can come here and select just this project phase. So this one is going to show me just the activities code in this project. So the advantage of using this step is that we can select as many activities as we want and just add the code once. So can you see, so this is faster, right? You can see all the code that we added for all these activities. Yes. And we'll go to structural. Under structural, the same process, you can apply the same process. Everything that's structural here is also structural. So I'll just select everything from under the structure, or activities under the structure. Okay. First, I need to open up the assign code window. Then go to project, code, and then choose structure, and select all the activities under the structure, and then click add. Everything is added very fast. It's saving time. The next one under row, everything is raw. So you don't need to open them one by one. Once already open up, I can just go and choose raw. For the next one, raw. Okay. Then under elevator, we have raw and finish. So elevator, first one there is raw. That is elevator equipment. The next one is finish. Let's close out. Then we have HVAC. Everything under HVAC. Okay. We have the first three activities under HVAC as procurement. So in that case, we have to just do it one after the other. We have prepare and as procurement. So I'll choose procurement here. As the procurement is harder, you can see it here, you can also see it here. The next one is also procurement, award contract, right here, award contract is also procurement. Okay, as you can see, award contract is also procurement. So we're going to add. Then the next one there is fabricate, also procurement. And the next activities there is install HV dot. HV dot is raw interface. Next one there is also rough interface. Install dot. Then once I set it for it's also rough interface. Then relocate HVAC chiller. This one is finished face. Finish and start up and test HVAC. Is rough. Is rough interface. Install crease and register. Okay. So install crease and register is finished. And the last activities there is finished. So we're done with activities under HVAC. Now we'll go to plumbing and electrical. We're on plumbing and electrical, we have everything there as well. So everything from the beginning to the end is rough. So select everything and just add it. Then we'll move to exterior finishes. Exterior finishes, everything there is close. So up close, up close. And we go to brick. So under brick, we have everything except brick exterior wall as procurement. So therefore, select from here to here and have procurement. The last one there is a brick wall exterior is close. Yeah, it's close. So we add this one as close. Then go to roof. Under roof we have close. Window, store door and window is close. Store exterior doors and windows is also close. Then finally we go to interior finishes. Under interior finishes, we have everything under interior finishes as finished. Okay, finish. And under plumbing, we also have finish. So add it as it is good. Floor and carpeting. Under floor and carpeting, we have procurement except install floor and carpet. So floor and carpeting, have procurement of this. And the last activity to install floor and carpeting is finish. And we have carpentry. Finish, finish. And lastly, we have paint. Is finish. Okay, so this is what we have after assigning our activities code. And yes, there are so many use where you can use activities code, okay, depending on how you want to use it. So one way is through what we call uh, group and sort. So you go to group and sort. So instead of sorting by WPS, you can look for the face, for the faces. So we have total of faces. So let me choose this one and see what it's going to give us. So let's apply. Okay. So this is the faces that we just created. So sometimes you might want to sort your activities or use face to manage your schedule. So you can see based on the faces. So you're going to rearrange all the activities for us based on the faces, which is the activities code that we created. Uh, yes, so this is the use of activities code basically. There's still so many things you can do with it. You can do filter and all of that. So for now, let's take over to where we are. So this is how to do activities code. The next clip, I want to assume we have added all the basic data we need for our project schedule. So therefore, we can now good to baseline our schedule. Remember our schedule is starting 15th of September. So which means if you are following this tutorial, we have started this project schedule before now. Usually for you to generate new schedule to take time because it's going to be going through back and forth review and it will need input from all the stakeholders, your project team, and even the sponsor. So it takes time before you finalize at your baseline schedule. So, but yes, you can see even this tutorial is taking us more than request on week already. So started since 15. Before 15, I started this your schedule. If you are following, and the file I have uploaded it into one of these tutorial, maybe the sixth one. Try to check the file if you want to practice. Try to practice along. Have question, like I said, feel free. So the next tutorial will focus on baselining your schedule. By the time you do all of the baseline is easy, it's just straightforward. Hang on there and don't forget to stick with GlintPM. Thank you for watching. This is GlintPM. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thank you.